The 11th Annual English Language Teachers Association of Nigeria National Conference provides a great platform for English language teachers to acquire new ideas, interact with one another, and also share knowledge.
What can we do to make English language teaching more effective? What can we do? How can we help our children to begin to speak, really use the language, not just to learn the theories? And then how can we take care of the aspects of getting e-learning work in Nigeria? So that is why we're here, to think of how to bring in ICT into the classroom, think of how to make the children begin to participate more actively in the classroom.
We are hosting the national conference of the English Language Teachers Association, which is a way of bringing all the English teachers all over Nigeria together. And I want to give glory to God for this opportunity that is coming to Lagos again for the second time.
This year's event had as its theme, Rethinking English Language Teaching in Nigeria. The guest speaker analyzed the topic, English language teachers in a digitalized world, and the use of portfolios in the teaching and assessment of writing skills.
So language is an instrument for creating what we. It is an instrument for constructing identities. It is an instrument for creating ideologies. There are times you think it is mere language, but you do not know what you are doing with it. In a recent article, I made mention of something. One of the reasons Apple is an important fruit and one that is really cherished in this country is because when we were taught how to live, we were told that way is for Apple.
At the conference, participants shared the knowledge they've acquired and emphasized the need to improve the teaching of English language in Nigeria.
It's a wonderful opportunity for our teachers in Lagos to learn how to change the narrative about how to teach, in terms of code switching, in terms of using stories and songs to teach, especially in literature in English, so that the students will be able to grasp what they are being taught in the class.
The essence of this conference is to allow teachers to gather together and to have a continuing professional development. As you know, everyone who is a teacher needs to continually update. I think the essence of conferences, like so many others, this affords us an opportunity to talk about what we are doing and what better ways we can do it.
I am happy that I'm part of this conference. Even the starting is amazing. You know, by the time we came in, starting from the registration center to the conference itself, to the opening, and all the lecture, the dignitaries that have been present and that have been talking to us, it was great. I've learned a lot.
These are various ways for us to acquire, additional methods and approaches in the teaching of English language, particularly as it affects imparting the various skills into our various students.
What's happening for these things will enrich what we have already had. Having said that, I wish that all of us will have strong, robust, and vigorous deliberations.
We appreciate the governor, the support from the Lagos State governor and the Commissioner of Education, Mrs. Adefisayo, for this effort that she has put in place. We also appreciate the PS curriculum, the PS Minister of Education and the curriculum director for all their efforts. And above all, I want to appreciate my colleagues who have been able to come up to support here and there.
English language teachers across all levels of education have been advised to adopt more proactive methods in teaching the subject.